Okay, if you're a PDR tech, I'm gonna give you a tip that I use on a roof. Guy taught me many years ago, and it'll help speed you up tremendously. We'll take our rods, and what'll happen is, as you're working the dents, you'll go back and forth. So, I'm gonna give you a demo. You're gonna be doing this back and forth. But you see what that does? It runs lines. So when you go in the back and look forward, you're gonna see all those lines. So I'm gonna show you what I do. So instead of moving your tool back and forth, you know, going from this dent to that dent, when you're working them back and forth, instead go side to side. What do I mean by that? When I'm pushing on this dent, I'll start in the middle and I'll go left to right, left to right, left to right. And so what that does is, if there's any lines, they're gonna be running this way and I'm gonna see them in my light. But if I'm just fixing this dent, I'll use this as an example, and I'm pushing and going front and pushing and going back and pushing and going front and doing that, what I'm doing is I'm running lines in there, and then when I go and cross check it from the back, I'm gonna see all these lines running this way instead of horizontally. So essentially what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fix it from the back, fix it from the side, cross check it from the back, and it's gonna be super duper messed up. So my tip is to be real conscious on how you're pushing the dents out. Don't go out and then back towards you, which is the natural tendency to do, especially when you're standing up on a ladder and you're pushing this, you know, your hail bar back and forth. Instead, go side to side and make your pushes, and you'll hide all your stuff when you go to the back. You'll have a lot less cross-checking to do. Just a little tip for the day. Guy taught me that a long time ago. Man, it really helps, especially on SUVs. Now, on an SUV, you always want to remove the hatch and just work it from the back. But a lot of guys, you know, maybe you can't take it off because you're by yourself, or maybe it's just has minor damage. Just make sure you go left to right instead of front to back, and it'll reduce your cross-checking. Hope that helps. Have a great day. Keep pushing.